Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about how we can create the sales order in the Zoho CRM with the Node.js sales order. If I go over here, we have a sales orders, right? So we don't have currently the sales order. Okay, so let's create the sales order over there. Sales orders are the document that confirm that the sales generated after customer sends the purchase order. They are based on our codes. Okay, so let's create the sales order over there. Right, so here we have the code for that one. So let's use that code for generating the sales order. Okay, so let me just comment this and I'm going to create this, and let's replace the respective things. Okay, so create sales order. Let's call this function over there. Okay, after this let's replace the account id. So let's go with our accounts. Let's put any of your id. Let's copy this and use it over here. Then we go with the account id, contacts id. So I'm going to use this one, contact, and let's copy this contact and paste it over here. I don't need the deal, I don't have it. Product details, so I need the products for this, and let's go with the products, and here we have the product id. Let's copy this and let's paste it over here, and we are due date, status, carriers, optional shipping method, adjustment, terms and condition, descriptions. Okay, then call the api that sales orders, and let's save this and let's run this. Node leads, and here we go with that. There is an error that the invalid auth token, that means this is not a valid one. What the error they are throwing? Sales order. Let's see what's the error exactly they are giving us. So many object is there. Okay, quest failed, error, bad request with this status code 400. I think something we missed. I think it's go with the in. Okay, let's save this. Let's try to run it again because I'm in India using, and sales order created. Okay, let's go and go with the sales orders, and here we have the sales order with grand total created, products is added, sales order, carrier is FedEx. Okay, contact name is already added. Okay, so this is how, and the product is attached over here, the total items of this one, grand total. Okay, so this is how you are able to create the sales order in our Zoho CRM using the Node.js API. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.